13 Methods for Making Passive Income in 2023. Let's examine 13 methods for generating passive money. From affiliate marketing and online businesses to real estate investing. 1. Establish a print-on-demand business. Time spent investing. Potential for passive income very high. Risk zero. Pod is one of the best methods for generating passive income. Launch your online shop, list your customized products, and watch the orders flood in as your revenues soar. The best part of Pod is that the print supplier prints, packages, and ships every order on their own initiative without requiring your assistance. With businesses like Printify, you may have access to hundreds of unique products, free design tools, simple setup and processing, as well as advice and direction along the way. 2. Market digital goods. Investments, a lot of time and some money for outsourcing and equipment. Passive income potential, high. Risk, low. Digital products can be anything from goods to printables, files, templates, plugins, audiobooks, kits, and more. Anything the customer can then download and use or print for their own needs. Create them once and sell digital products as many times as you want with a high profit margin. 3. Design online classes. Investments. If you don't have the required tools and abilities, a lot of time and money will be spent hiring professionals. Potential for passive income very high. Low risk. Make an online course for anyone interested in the subject, rather than wasting your time and energy on endless consulting and instructing. You'll need to put in some preparation time to outline, record, and publish the course on websites like Skillshare or Coursera. Additionally, you should produce resources and content that your students may download. But over time, an online course will continue to bring in a good passive income while also benefiting others. 4. Rental of real estate. Investment, your property, time, and other resources. Possibility of passive income, high. Risk, medium. Rental property is another simple option to produce passive income. Passive rental income will come in each month, whether you're renting out a complete house, apartment, building, or just a single room. 5. Purchase domain names. Time and money are invested. Possibility of passive income, high. Risk, standard. Trading stocks is similar to flipping domain names. You purchase them at a low price with the intention of selling them for a high price later on. In the digital age, almost every company and brand requires an online presence. Invest in names that are easy to remember, straightforward, short, and common to ensure sellability. 6. Time, research, and funds for listing costs are required when selling NFT investments. Possibility of passive income, high. Risk, average. A typical NFT is a fraud-proof token that demonstrates your ownership of a unique digital file. Anything that exists on a digital platform qualifies, including tweets, songs, paintings, and digital art. An NFT can be created once and sold often, rented out, subject to royalties, and used to benefit from the beauty of passive revenue, just like digital commodities. 7. Investing time and money to license your music and pictures. Possibility of passive income, high. Risk, low. It's a terrific idea to license your work if you love to create music or take pictures but don't want to be in the spotlight. Work with companies like Getty Images and Shutterstock to collaborate on online picture sales. Alternatively, you can license your music and get paid each time it is used for commercials, YouTube videos, movies, or other projects. 8. Consider affiliate marketing. Time-intensive investments. Possibility of passive income, high. Risk, zero. One of the simplest ways to make passive money is to start an affiliate marketing business. That is, if you already have a fan base or following that could support promotions. Join an affiliate program, market affiliate products on the platform or channel of your choice, and profit from the clicks and purchases your links bring in. 9. Create an app. Investments required to create an app, a lot of effort and money for software. Possibility of passive income, really high. Risk, normal. If this is just up your alley, develop a practical and distinctive app that users can download and use repeatedly. Consequently, you will have an unending stream of passive income. Anything from games to exercise, music, computations, and more can be included in the app. Your idea will make more money the more original it is. 10. Record an audiobook. Time and money spent purchasing equipment or outsourcing talents constitute investments. Possibility of passive income, high. Risk, low. Speaking of books, a terrific way to make money is to record an audiobook for anyone who would rather listen to your stories, lectures, or guides. The next best thing if writing isn't really your thing is to record a book. Record it once and earn passive cash from subsequent sales. 11. Write an ebook. As an investment, time, expertise, and extensive research. Possibility of passive income, high. Risk, low. An ebook may be written quickly, easily, and practically anyone can publish one for little money. Ebooks can be short and can cover any subject that interests you and is within your area of competence. Even if writing one takes a lot of your time, you can eventually use Amazon's reach to reach millions of potential buyers. 12. Sell spreadsheets. Time investment. Potential for passive income, high. Risk, none. This could be one of the best passive income sources for you if you're a born expert in Google Sheets or Excel. Create spreadsheets for various uses, such as tracking expenses, creating invoices, and so forth, and sell them online to people who can't do it themselves. 13. Work as a video content creator. Resources, time and investigation. Potential for passive income, very high. Low risk. If you possess the talents to create entertaining and original video material, this could be a terrific passive income source for you. Success is very likely to be achieved on websites like TikTok and YouTube. Simply choose your audience and topic, then produce content that will attract clicks. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe to my channel for more informative videos.